Hi guys! What's up and welcome to today's video. In this video I'm gonna show you how you can, in just a few steps, restore old damaged charms. Here are two of my old charms that has aged really badly. I think mainly because I haven't stored them in a good way. But it is actually really simple to make them look like new again. I'm going to start off by showing you how I restored this one. So I started out by taking a short brush to remove some of the dust. And that made it look a little bit better, but we still have a long way left to go. So next I took an X-Acto knife and I started to carefully scrape off some more dust and glitter. And it is now looking a little bit better, but we still have a lot of discoloration left. And to fix that, I took a Q-tip and I dipped it into nail polish. And then I just rubbed it all over the charm. And this one had a pretty thick layer of glaze on it, so I was able to remove all of the stains without damaging the painted details. And finally, it ended up looking like this. And to give its shine back, I used some UV glaze and I gave it a thin coat. And here is the final result. And compared to the original shape it was in, I'd say it looks pretty good. And lastly, I also wanted to show you what to do if you have a charm that has just a little bit of glaze on it, like this pig charm from a very early episode of Kawaii Friday. For this one, I scraped off the face first. And then I began to rub off all of the paint and the stains on it. And after the pig was clean again, I repainted the face. And just like last time, I added a coat of clear glaze. And now it looks like it's new again. I even like this look better than the original one. And that is just how simple it is to restore old charms. And if you have any more tricks or tips on this topic, you can just share it in the comments below. And also, what video you would like to see next. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos with helpful tips and fun DIYs. Have an awesome day, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!